What's the meaning of bile? Bile. Bile.
Bile. Bile. Bile is a fluid secreted by the liver and stored in the gallbladder that aids in the digestion and absorption of fats in the small intestine. It helps break down fats into smaller particles so they can be easily absorbed by the body. Bile also plays a role in the elimination of waste products, including bilirubin, which gives bile its characteristic yellow color. If there is a problem with the liver or gallbladder, such as a blockage or infection, bile production and flow can be disrupted, leading to a range of symptoms and health problems. Bile is an essential component of digestive health and overall well-being.